Hey real MVP squad, so today we are making some potato fritters. So if you're new here, hit that like button for your girl, bam bam, comment down below because you know I want to know, honey, and hit that bell notification for future videos, period. Let's get into this. Let's get into it.
Hey squad, hey, it's that DIY queen, you already know what time it is. Let's go, all my real MVPs.
Alright you guys, so these are the ingredients that we're going to be using, period. So let's start off with 2 eggs, some all-purpose flour, some onions, vegetable oil or olive oil, garlic and parsley, paprika, black pepper, salt, ground black pepper, and 3 potatoes. So I am just going to beat these eggs up together. These 2 eggs, you can use as little or as many eggs that you like for the recipe to your liking. And we are going to cut up these potatoes together. Be careful when you're cutting, when you're using a sharp knife. Please be careful. Don't hurt yourself trying to cut, because it can happen. Period. I said what I said. And after all your potatoes are cut up and your onions, place them in a boiling pot on the stove. I put mine on medium. And be careful because it can get a little messy, especially when you're cooking and holding camera at the same time. And now I'm mashing out the potatoes. You just wait till they get really soft after they boiled up in the water. And you just mash them up to your liking, or however soft you want your potato fritters to be. And now we're adding some salt, some black pepper, red crushed pepper, paprika, garlic and parsley, or you can use like actual garlic and cut it up, but I just use the garlic and parsley flakes. And now we're just going to mix them up with a spoon. I started out with a spoon, but then quickly I realized that you need an actual mixer tool. Not a spoon. Unless you have a really big spoon and then you can do it. But you know, it is what it is, honey. Now we are adding in the eggs to the mixture. And make sure you mix this mixture thoroughly, because it can get messy. You probably might want to wear gloves. I didn't wear gloves this time, but you might want to wear gloves for this. And make sure you guys share this video out. Share this video out to everybody you know. Share it out on YouTube, Facebook, Insta, MySpace, TikTok, Twitter, all that. Share it out for your girl. Tell your mama, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your frenemies, your friends, everybody. Okay, period. We're not leaving nobody out. We're adding the all-purpose flour now. Y'all, I can't. This is why I can't do voiceovers. I'm a hot mess. We gonna tell the frenemies too. We gonna tell the people in the bushes, everybody. This is why I can't do no voiceovers. So, period. Like, well, I'm not editing this out. Okay. Tell the frenemies. We gonna tell them. What my daddy said, we gonna tell her like our ass is. Period. Let me stop playing. I'm playing. Auntie Maria MRTV. I'm already in the corner squad. Like, put me there. Okay. Just leave me in the corner. Like, period. So we mix it. Let me stop playing with y'all. Go tell the frenemies. We're mixing. And we're just gonna mix. I'm gonna let that sit with y'all. Okay, period. And that's what she's giving. That's the vibes that your mixture should be giving, period. And then we're just going to put everything into the pan. Period. I don't think I'll ever get tired of saying that, okay? It's a little lopsided, but everything's in the pan. All of our potato fritters are in the pan. So make sure you don't burn too much. I was trying to give y'all a little close up. Y'all see that? I was trying to give y'all a little close up of my fritters. They're also called Lockies, but today we call them potato fritters. We're not calling them the Lockies. They are potato fritters. Lockies. Okay, so that's the vibe she's giving. And I like mine a little black and a little burnt, you know, but they are so delicious and they are so good when they come out the pan. Let them sit on a paper towel on the plate. Let them sit, you know, let that excess grease fall out on a paper towel. Miss Shan, show the recipes. How I do, sis. How I do per period. How I do these. That's what I was making these Sunday. Y'all see these videos today. How I do, y'all. What I do, how I do. Another beautiful masterpiece. And she does it again. And make sure y'all go ahead and check out Miss Shan Show the Recipe. She's doing Cook Miss every day of December. I was gonna do it, but then I was like, I don't know. Maybe next year. Maybe when I have a bigger following, maybe that next year I'll do the Vlogmas Cook Miss thing. But I will post at least 4 days a week for y'all and go live at least once a week. I'm gonna try to. But yeah, go check out my sis, my cousin, and Shan Shorty Recipes. Tell her your girl sent you from the Real MVP Squad. Period, because you already know what time it is. Okay. Well, we roll through. So that's what they're giving. That's what they're looking like. And they're brown. When they're brown and crispy on the outside, that's what you want. Brown and crispy on the outside, honey. Give them to her. All right, you guys, and these are the vibes that these potato fritters are giving. They're giving me crunchy on the outside, soft and go on inside, period. So if you made it this far in the video, comment down below and say, sis, I'm the real MVP, because you know you are the real MVP, honey, and your girl got to go. For real, I gotta go. I gotta go, y'all. Y'all see it? You know you see it, honey. Yes, won't he do it? Won't he do it? Yes, he will. Fight your battles for you. Yes, okay. And that's what they're supposed to look like on the inside. Come get you some. All right, that's it. I gotta go. Peace, love, and hair grease. Y'all know what to do. Bye, y'all. See you in the next one. Period.